Alright, folks, it is 2 June, and we're going to do another unboxing of the box I just got in. So, I'm not sure. I've got a couple things on order, so I'm not sure exactly what it is. So, let's get down here on the box. Right here. So, I've got a couple different items on order, so let's see what we got in here. We're ordering these for Olmec Reflections. Ordered some different equipment, so let's see what we got. Paper, invoice, and it appears like it's going to be possibly the fans. So exactly what it is. It's the dry pod fans. So pull it out of the plastic. I've got 4 of these on the truck already, and I just need a couple more. Probably will get up to 10. So the dry pod. I've got 2 more. There's another one identical to that down in there. I found these online, and I use Wikibuy. So Zoro. Found them for $149. These are normally $187 with my discount. Total bill coming into the house is $318 and some change. So I bought 2 of these fans for $318. Saved about 20% on each one of them just by looking. So my unboxing for today is 2 more of the dry pods. They are great for drying carpets real quick. So got that one and 1 more down in there. So that's my new unboxing for June 2nd. They'll go on the truck and be a great addition. So this is Don with Olmec Reflections. Check us out on our normal, all the social media stuff and everything. YouTube channel, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like it, and hit that bell and whistles and all that stuff. So that's it for today. Unboxing of the new dry pods. Alright, thanks guys. Have a great day.